Your question is, which of the following case is related to zamindari system? 1. Kameshwar Singh versus State of Bihar. 2. Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras. 3. Motilal versus State of Uttar Pradesh. 4. State of West Bengal versus Subodh Gopal. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2 and 4, C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, or D. 1 and 2. Right answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Kameshwar Singh versus State of Bihar, Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, Motilal versus State of Uttar Pradesh, and State of West Bengal versus Subodh Gopal. Your question is, in which year were the states reorganized on linguistic basis? Your options are A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1956, or D. 1966. Right answer is C. 1956. Your question is, which one of the following writs is regarded as the greatest safeguard for the liberty of a person? Your options are A. Mandamus, B. Habeas corpus, C. Certiorari, or D. Prohibition. Right answer is B. Habeas corpus. Your question is, which article of the Constitution of India has the provision of participation of workers in management of industry? Your options are A. Article 43, B. Article 43A, C. Article 45, or D. Article 47. Right answer is B. Article 43A. Your question is, the President of India is elected by. Your options are A. Only the members of Rajya Sabha, B. Only the members of Lok Sabha, C. Only by the members of state legislative assemblies and Lok Sabha, or D. By the elected members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and state legislative assemblies. Right answer is D. By the elected members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and state legislative assemblies. Your question is, Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to. Your options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Parliament, or D. Only to Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Only to Lok Sabha. Your question is, consider the following statements about the Attorney General of India. 1. He is appointed by the President of India. 2. He must have the same qualifications as are required for a judge of the Supreme Court. 3. He must be a member of either House of Parliament. 4. He can be removed by impeachment by Parliament. Which of the following statements are correct? Quotes. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. 3 and 4. Right answer is A. 1 and 2. He is appointed by the President of India and he must have the same qualifications as are required for a judge of the Supreme Court. Your question is, the Speaker of Lok Sabha can be removed from his office before the expiry of his term. Your options are A. By the President on the recommendation of the Prime Minister, B. If the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect, C. If the Lok Sabha and the Prime Minister so decide, or D. If both the Houses of Parliament pass a resolution to this effect. Right answer is B. If the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect. Your question is, the minimum age required to be a candidate for Council of States is. Your options are A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 32 years, or D. 35 years. Right answer is B. 30 years.